Planning more travel in 2025? A great credit card doesn't just help you earn points. It can literally unlock better trips, free flights, hotel upgrades, airport lounges, and even travel insurance. But with so many cards on the market, how do you pick the one that's actually worth it for you? Today, we're breaking down 7 of the best travel credit cards this year, including no annual fee options and luxury cards for frequent flyers. This is UTRPN. Let's go! 1. Capital One. VentureOne, Best Overall Travel Card. This is the sweet spot between value and luxury. For a $395 annual fee, you get $300 in annual travel credit through Capital One, 10,000 bonus miles every year on your anniversary, lounge access via Priority Pass and Capital One lounges, cell phone protection, rental car elite status. You earn 2x miles on everything and 510x when booking through Capital One Travel. Redemption is easy. Use miles to erase travel purchases or transfer to over 15 airline and hotel partners. If you take 2+ trips a year, this card pays for itself, and then some. 2. Chase Sapphire Preferred, Best for Beginners. One of the most loved travel cards for first-timers. It has a manageable $95 annual fee and earns 5x on travel booked through Chase, 3x on dining, 2x on all other travel, 1x on everything else. But what makes it special is the Chase Ultimate Rewards program. Points are flexible, transfer to airlines and hotels like United, Hyatt, or British Airways at a 1-to-1 ratio. Plus, you get primary rental car insurance, trip cancellation coverage, and delayed baggage reimbursement. For beginners or casual travelers, it's the most well-rounded option out there. 3. Amex Platinum, Best for Lounge Access and Luxury Travelers. This is the card if you want a first-class airport experience every time you fly. You get access to Centurion Lounges, only with Amex, Delta Sky Clubs, Priority Pass Select. But that's not all. The Platinum offers over $1,500 in credits each year if you take full advantage. $200 airline fee credit, $200 hotel credit, $200 Uber credit, clear membership, global entry or TSA PreCheck credit. Yes, the $695 annual fee is steep, but if you travel frequently and like VIP perks, you'll more than break even. 4. BILT Mastercard, Best for Renters who Travel. A travel card for people who don't own a home? Yes. BILT lets you pay your rent with a credit card, with no fee. That alone is a massive value, but it also earns 3x on dining, 2x on travel, 1x on rent payments, up to 100,000 points per year. Plus, no annual fee. You can redeem points for flights, hotels, or even toward a future home down payment. And their transfer partners include American Airlines, Hyatt, and Air Canada. Real value, no fluff. 5. Capital One, VentureOne, Best No Annual Fee Travel Card. Simple, straightforward, no annual fee. You'll earn 1.25x miles on all purchases, no foreign transaction fees, access to Capital One's transfer partners. It's a great entry-level option if you want to dip into travel rewards without a big commitment. While the earn rate is lower than premium cards, the lack of fees and flexibility make it a solid everyday travel card. If you found this helpful so far, a like or subscribe really helps us keep making videos like this. And if you don't want to miss the next one, turn on notifications too. 6. Discover It Miles, Best for Students and First-Time Cardholders. Designed for new credit users, this card earns 1.5x miles on all purchases, dollar-for-dollar match of all miles earned in your first year, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees. There's no complicated reward system, just earn and redeem at a flat rate. You can redeem miles for any travel purchase or even as cashback. It's the perfect starter card if you want to build credit while earning travel rewards. 7. Chase Sapphire Reserve, Best for Frequent Travelers and Big Spenders. This is Chase's luxury flagship. With a $550 annual fee, you get $300 annual travel credit, automatic, priority pass lounge access. 3x points on travel and dining. Up to $100 for global entry or TSA PreCheck. Strong trip protection and car rental coverage. Points are worth 50% more when redeemed through Chase Travel, and you still get full one-to-one transfer partner access. If you travel often and want premium perks with strong value, this is your card. How to pick the right card. Want luxury travel perks? Amex Platinum or Sapphire Reserve. On a budget or just starting out? BILT, Discover It Miles, or VentureOne. Need flexibility and easy point transfers? Chase Sapphire Preferred. Want to earn on rent? BILT is unmatched. Want high lounge access? VentureX or Amex Platinum. There you go, trippers. 7 great options for travel credit cards. Whether you're planning your first international trip or you're on your 5th passport, the right travel card can open up a world of perks. No paid links, no hype, just real info for smarter travelers. Quick reminder, if you got value from this, hit like and subscribe. It's free and it helps a lot more than you think. This is You Trippin'.